Hello folks, here's a quick unboxing and review of the Kopdkes Lavalier wireless microphone. It uses radio frequency, doesn't have any line of sight, so you can actually step away from your iPhone when you're using it and it'll pick up the audio. I do have two audio videos on this, the first one using the iPhone microphone, and as I step away from the iPhone, the audio volume gets lower, but with the Kopdkes, as I step away from my iPhone, it stays the same. So you can actually put your iPhone somewhere and have this connected to your blouse or your shirt, and the iPhone will pick it up very well. So I have it connected to my iPhone, and I have a spec thick bumper guard case, and it connects very well even after having the case. Now I don't know why it has these shiny things with blue stickers on them. They really serve no purpose. I tried blocking them and all that, but it still works. So I really don't know why they have it on both sides. Maybe it's just a design thing. The transmitter comes with a USB-C connector and a USB-C cable, and the receiver uses your phone's battery. It connects to your lightning port, obviously, and it has a lightning port to connect to a charging cable if you still need to charge your iPhone. You can have it connected all the time. It comes with pretty good instructions, and as mentioned, it comes with a USB-C cable to charge the transmitter. You really don't need to pair anything. They literally work right out of the box. So I am going to connect the receiver to my iPhone, and it'll light up red. And I'm going to connect the transmitter. I'm going to turn it on, and then it'll light up green, and you know that they're both connected. So the only thing is that the clip doesn't rotate. So you have to wear the lavalier microphone horizontally because it doesn't rotate. So let's do this. Let's connect the receiver to the iPhone, and it'll turn on red. There should be a red light somewhere on the side. Hopefully it'll pick it up. Okay, there you go. You can see the red light a little bit. And then press and hold the power button on the transmitter, and it'll light up green, I think. And to shut it off, you just press and hold it a little bit longer for 3 seconds, then it'll shut off. But if you just press, it'll turn on and green, and you can see that they're connected. So the transmitter is green and the receiver is red. So here are the two audio clips that you'll hear. The first one is with the iPhone, and as you can tell, it picks up a lot of ambient noise, but with the wireless microphone, there's no ambient noise. So check it out. This is using the iPhone microphone, testing the audio at 1 feet, testing the audio at 3 feet, testing the audio at 6 feet, testing the audio at 7 feet, testing the audio at 10 feet. I'm going to another room, testing the audio at 12 feet, testing the audio from another room, testing the audio from behind the wall. Let's see how well it works. Coming closer. Coming closer, coming closer, coming closer, coming closer, coming closer. This is testing of the audio at 2 feet. Testing of the audio at 5 feet. This is testing of the audio at 6 feet. This is testing of the audio at 7 feet. Testing of the audio at 10 feet. This is testing of the audio in another room. This is testing of the audio behind a wall. So let's see how it works. Okay, coming back in, testing of the audio, pull it in closer, closer, testing of the audio at 1 feet.